Oh, hey there, folks. This is the next day. As you can see, the carpet in the van, just for a few spots here. This is where the bolt was for the seat. That's still a little dirty. Here's a little dirty. And here's a spot. And here's another spot. Overall, it's good. That big spot right there, I'm really not worried about it. That's underneath the seat, so it'll cover it up. And overall, I'm satisfied with this. This is probably going to have to end up. I'm going to let it dry a little bit more, and then we'll end up cleaning it again. But I'm going to have to go there on that side, driver's side, clean that up. As you can see, it's still a little bit dirty there. I'm an old man, so I got to do a little bit at a time. And then today I got hit with the plumber coming here telling me $1,000 just because he don't want to clean a hole. Huh. Oh well. Okay. Later.